What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Mo, and I am back with another video. Today, we have another special guest. I know her as Mom, but you guys know her as Chef Claudia. Welcome, Chef Claudia, to the screen.
Hello,
Woo!
hello, hello.
Now, today, what are we going to be making?
I'm going to be making some plant-based salads two ways. One is going to be raw in this jar. The second one, I'm going to cook a few things. My quinoa has already been cooked. This is a tri-colored quinoa. Has red. It's the traditional quinoa with red and black. And I'm also going to cook some falafel. Don't feel awful. Have a piece of my falafel.
Y'all heard that. Falafel me down.
And I'm also going to, with the cooked one, it's going to be some steamed veggies. They're steaming up right now.
Y'all ready? Because I'm ready, so let's dig in.
All right, let's get into the raw one that I'm going to put in the jar. So I have my mason jar here. Right here I have some spinach and some kale. Can you say kale? Kale, yeah. I actually harvested the kale from my plot at the community garden. Grow your own.
We're going to be touching on some garden stuff very soon, y'all. Garden season is approaching, and it's a
Eat
perfect
the
time
rainbow.
to start buying your seeds. It's a perfect time.
So next, I'm going to add some Roma tomatoes. And all of my veggies come from the farmer's market, or I would say my happy place, Perkins Orchard.
And that's in Durham, North Carolina. Bull
Look
City,
at those
baby.
beautiful colors. See the green cucumbers. Now I'm adding some radishes there. Let me go ahead and add some of this quinoa. I'm going to add some of that in there too. Put a little bit more radish in there. Pretty, pretty.
Y'all see
A
the
little bit
color
more
profile?
green.
The color profile.
And then I have some carrots. Y'all get into that. Get into that. Let me top it off with a little bit of Tab's Sunshine Seasoning.
So good.
There we go. Let me get that Himalayan pink salt. And also a little green on top. This is parsley that was grown right outside my front door in my home garden.
Whoop, whoop.
There's my parsley. And for my dressing, it's going to be a little bit of Tab's drizzle. I'm using her spicy jalapeno and cilantro garlic spread.
If you haven't tried it, check out your local Target. Don't wait. Go today.
There it is. Now, I put the top on it, seal it, and then all I got to do is put it in the fridge. And then when I'm ready to eat it, take the top off, put it in my bowl, or I can just shake it up, take my fork, eat it out of here. No problem. There it is.
Quick, easy, convenient. Go ahead.
Okay, now it's time to cook my falafel. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes, and I added some chia seeds and some flax seeds. My olive oil is already warmed up over here. Now I'm just going to make my little balls here. There's that sizzle. There's that sizzle. We know falafel is, the main ingredient in falafel is chickpeas. Like I said before, don't feel awful. Have a piece of my falafel. Okay, I'm rolling these balls up, putting them in there. There's that sizzle. I got room for one more.
Sizzle me crazy.
Okay. You can stop it.
Okay.
Okay, my falafel's cooking up real good over here. Let me just flip them all over. Okay, while that falafel's finishing up, let's look over here to the right. See that steam? Y'all see that steam? I have fresh veggies. My steamed
Ooh, ooh.
veggies.
Looking good. Check out
Look
the
at that.
cover. The colors. The
See the
colors.
rainbow colors? And while I'm here, see that water under there? You see that vegetable broth? I'm going to reuse that. Half of it's going to go to nourish my plants, and the other half, I'm going to reuse that broth in other meals.
All right, and I see something else in the picture. What's in that little bowl right there?
This, you ask? What
Yes.
are those?
What are
Those,
those?
those are veggie egg rolls. And I'm going to enjoy them with some homemade num num sauce. All right, all right, all right. I have my bowl here. My veggies are hot off the steamer. Got my falafel here. Now it's time to build my bowl. I'm going to take a little bit of my homemade hummus, put a little dab in the bottom. Now it's time to build. Got my spinach and my kale. I have my fresh falafels. Put a couple of those over there. Next, let me get my grains in here. Let me get my quinoa. It's tri-colored quinoa today. Add that in there. Sprinkle in some of my raw veggies, cucumbers, tomatoes. Some of the radishes. Next up, I'm going to put in those fresh steamed veggies. Get into these colors, y'all. Have y'all started counting the colors yet? Have you started counting the colors yet? Look at that bowl. It's coming in nicely, coming in hot. Let me dice up this avocado, y'all. Most say what? They say avocado is fruit, right? It is. Majority of us think it's a veggie, but it's actually a fruit. Let me get that avocado, sprinkle it on top. Am I done? Nah, I need a little bit more carrots on there. Let me sprinkle the carrots on there. Beautiful. Don't forget my parsley. I can't forget my parsley. I have another scoop of my hummus on top. And then to finish it off, let me use some of Tab's jalapeno and cilantro garlic spread. I'm just going to drizzle it over. You know what? I need a couple more of my falafel up there. I'm just going to drizzle it back and forth, back and forth. Voila! I have done it. This is a plant-based vegan meal. 2 ways. In the jar here. And I built my bowl. It's like a Buddha bowl.
Y'all getting into that. If you like it, make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe to this channel, y'all.
Because on Food Vibes, this is what
We'll
we
be
cooking.
And if you don't know, well, now you know.
Later.
Peace.
Peace.